Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Feeling a little bit spooked. I've been watching this couple on Instagram. Oh, what are they called? Lainey and something. Ben and Lainey, or I'm not sure, but they post about all the paranormal activity in their house. And it is one of them, isn't it? Like, do you believe in that? You know, like things can be faked so easily now. I think even I could with my basic editing knowledge. Anyway, I've been watching them. It's very realistic, very scary if it is real, like they seem really genuine. And anyway, as I was watching it, a picture frame just like came off the wall upstairs. So you know, you're like, coincidence? I'm sure it was just a loose hanging, but yeah, I hope I haven't just like invited a ghost in because I could do without that, to be honest. Anyway, enough about all that spooky stuff. Today's video is a huge home bargains haul. I've got some things for organising, cleaning products, some snacks, some things that I've forgotten that I probably bought. So this was just from a couple of trips that I've done. So I'll go through everything as usual and show you everything that I've been buying. So I've got this makeup storage. So I have the IKEA Malm, is it the Malm desk? I think that's what it's called, the one with the big drawer, one big drawer, which is got loads of storage but just not quite enough. So I thought I would get a little bit of acrylic makeup storage so I could just keep like essentials on the dresser top. So this one was £2.99. I like the little diamante details on the front, and then this one was £1.49. So this is just obviously good for lipsticks and lip glosses, but I thought they were very nice, and I do really like the acrylic makeup storage. And it's one of those things where I think I don't want it on show particularly, but it would just be so much handier if things were like more easily accessible. So I think this is a good alternative to that because it's going to look quite nice as well. So those were the first two things that I grabbed. Just need to reorganize all of my makeup, and the drawer at the minute is horrific. Like, there's just so much makeup everywhere, so I really need to take everything out of there and clean it and reorganize it, and put all of my everyday stuff like in these is probably the plan. Also, I got this is not actually from Home Bargains, but I just want to show it now because I'm showing those acrylic makeup organisers. This is a spice rack from B&M. But again, I think I'm going to use it on my dressing table because I just think that's going to be really nice to put perfumes and makeup on, and hopefully it'll look alright. If not, then it will get used in a cupboard. But it was a £3 special buy spice rack. But yeah, I think just because it's acrylic and clear, I think it's going to work much better for makeup and beauty products. I also got these from Home Bargains. I don't have them on this receipt. They were £1 something. I just wanted to get some little artificial nails because I bite my nails. It's a real issue that I have. I like the little pearl detail on a couple of the nails, and they're nice and short as well, which I prefer. I don't want like really big long nails. So yeah, I also grabbed them. They had a couple of different colours as well. I also felt like I needed to get a new candle, the one that was not as festive smelling as all of the festive smells that I've had around the house. And they do these Yankee Candle jars. This is Sunny Cotton. I do love like that sort of scent. It smells really fresh. It's really nice to just have this lit, like all the decorations are gone. I'm decluttering, having this nice fresh scent around the house, so I'm excited to light this. And I think it was, might have been £4, £4.99. Yeah, it's nice that they do those in Home Bargains. They've got some great candles. Hopefully it should last quite a while burning it. Plus you've got the jar to use afterwards if you want to. So I'm excited to light that. That'll be nice when I've like got the house like completely clean and stuff. I love lighting a candle. Yeah, this one will be nice and fresh smelling. Another nice scented product that I got is some of this Fabulosa Twilight Bouquet scent. I really like this. I think it smells really luxurious. It's really nice if you're just putting some in the sink as well as obviously using it for cleaning, but putting it in the sink with some hot water, it makes the whole house smell really nice. It's very perfume-like, which I really like. So I hadn't bought that for a while as well because I was having like, if I bought Zoflora or Fabulosa, then I was buying like festive scents, but we're going into different scents now. It's not Christmas anymore. Can't be having the house smell like gingerbread. It's just not the same. So yeah, some of that, which I've forgotten how much this is. £2.49 it actually is. Just whilst we're on fragrances, I also got these Airwick Winter Walks scents. I have this scent in here and I love it. It's the Stacey Solomon. It's got her face on it. And I really, really like it. Like it sprays in that automatic diffuser like every, I don't know, every hour or something, and I love it. So I thought I would get this because I've got a plug in upstairs that needs there we go, see, right on right on cue. I've got a plug that needs a new one of these in, so this is the scent that I want in there. And then these little diffusers are really good just for like the bathroom and things. So yeah, that Winter Walks scent is so lovely, really nice and fresh. I was a bit worried it was going to be really piney, but it's not. It says that the rediffuser lasts up to 4 weeks and the plugins up to 200 days, so not too bad at all. How much are we paying for these things? So £2.99 for the diffuser and £4.65 for the plugins there. This is a cleaning product that I'm absolutely loving. Like, this is adulthood, isn't it, all over. This foaming toilet cleaner, you get 3 sachets in there. I saw it all over Instagram. Loads of people using it. You put it in, like, sprinkling a sachet and it foams up massively. Just makes the toilet really nice and clean, and it's the pink stuff, and we all know that the pink stuff is, like it says, you know, the miracle pink stuff. It is, yeah, a good product that I've bought a couple of times now, so I thought I'd grab them because they do sell them in Old Home Bargains. Got receipts everywhere. £2.29 for that, and yeah, like I say, you get 3 sachets in there, you sprinkle it in the toilet, you let it do its thing, you leave it for 10 minutes and then you clean your toilet, and it smells really lovely as well, so I would definitely recommend them. I also got some Pink Stuff spray because, again, it's just really good product, isn't it? So this is just the like disinfectant spray. They do like a glass cleaner as well. There was another one that I saw. They've got like different coloured necks. This, I really like using this just in the bathroom, all over really, and that was 99p. I also got some of these Lenore scent boosters. They do it in this now. It's the same, I'm assuming, as it used to be, but they've obviously gone to cardboard packaging now, which is really good to see. Oh, you can shake and sniff. Oh yeah, it does. It does. Lets you know the scent before you buy it. I really like using these, especially with bed covers and towels and things and cushion covers. So yeah, that is a gorgeous fresh scent. Frosted eucalyptus, and it's the Mrs. Hinch. I love all these Mrs. Hinch and Stacey Solomon products. I also bought a new tin opener because it was, I walked past them and thought I really could do with a new tin opener instead of like continuing to struggle with my one that's about 10 years old or something ridiculous. And to get this, it was £1.49. Toby actually learned how to use a tin opener for the first time the other day. He came to me with a tin of custard and a bottle opener, and it made me realise that, I mean, most of the time you don't need to even open a tin, but I did teach him how to use a tin opener. But yeah, it just made me laugh how he came and got a bottle opener. He was like, "How do I open this tin?" And I was like, "Not with that tool." If you've watched many of my videos before, you will know that I have bought, over my time of filming YouTube videos, more bottles than I would ever like to add up. I got a new bottle for Archie because he's been using mine. I don't know what it is with bottles. We find it so difficult to find ones that they're like really happy with. And by that I mean like the way that they drink out of it, how like leak proof they are when they're in the school bags. Like we have a lot of like accidents with water bottles on the way home from school or whatever, you know, with like leaking in bags. And the size of them, like if they're too big, just feel like it's more of an issue than I ever thought it would be in my life, getting the right water bottles for my kids. But I got Archie a new one because he is at the minute using my water bottle, which leaked in his bag the other day because he hadn't pressed the lid down properly. So anyway, I got him this one because it's a really good size for him as well, because he is the youngest, he's 7. They can refill it at school as well, so it doesn't need to be anything like giant. And this is cute just because it's a gamer bottle, and that was £1.99 for that. I also got a sponge. Not very exciting. I actually really wanted to get one of the like natural sponges, the brown ones. They didn't have any, which they normally do, so that was a bit disappointing. But a sponge for the, what was it, about 50p? 30p? 39p for this massage sponge. And then on to all the snacks, because Home Bargains is the place to restock on your snacks. These, the boys really like these Crinklies oven baked crisps. I like them as well. However, the salt and vinegar, which I would normally love, I find they are so strong in these kinds of crisps that I almost feel like it's painful to eat them. Like, that's dramatic. But some things are so flavoured salt and vinegar that I'm like, so yeah, for me they're a little bit much. The salt and vinegar ones are them. These I really like, but I have bought them for the kids. These Kinder Cards, they're really good because they're just like little wrapped up wafers that are just good for snacks, keeping in your bag or whatever. And also I got some of these for Dylan because he really likes them. These Jaffa Joe Nuts, and again they are wrapped up individually, I think so. Good little on-the-go snack for him. I also grabbed some new toothpaste and some Harpic toilet rim blocks. Nothing particularly exciting, but it's all about getting the house nice and fresh and clean at the moment this month, so grab them as well. This is a pretty bog standard item as well in my hauls from Home Bargains. I actually haven't bought them for ages though, but I do feel like I show them all the time. But I keep them in like a wire holder in the kitchen, again, just for an on-the-go snack. They're individually wrapped. They're so good for the kids, just for like having this with some fruit and yogurt and whatever in the mornings if they don't feel like having cereal. And you get 6 in a pack, good for lunch boxes as well. They do also do croissants and things, but these ones are Archie and Dylan's favourite, so these are the ones that I always tend to get. I really like these as well. And they're £1 each, which is like Morrison's do a similar one, but they're so much more expensive. They're nearly double that. They're like £1.70 or something. I can't think exactly. But yeah, these are the cheapest ones that I see. These like individually wrapped Pano Shocks. I also got some dog chews. I'm just looking over there because I feel like Rudy would even know the sound of the packaging of these. And I thought his ears would just prick up. He's asleep over on the chair, but he loves these. Like, they do this whole range, this Chester's range, in like all different variety of snacks, but this one I feel like this is his favourite, and it's like dried chicken meat. Yeah, I just need to like, I'm doing something I shouldn't be doing. He doesn't know what it is. I'll turn around in a minute, I'll be there. Pop up behind the chair. Yeah, he just needed his treat jar refilling, spoiled little thing, so yeah, I grabbed them whilst I was there as well. I also got a couple of sachets of rice as well because it's just a good item to put on the side of meals if you're looking for like a carb to put to their meals if they don't, because mine don't really like potato. Obviously you don't always want to do pasta, so it's good to just mix it up a little bit and yeah, add some rice to the side of their meals with whatever they're having, chicken or whatever. And I just got some of the classic long grain rice and then some basmati. What are they, about 50p? Yeah, 49p each for them. I did get some of these as well, but they have already been opened because I ripped the bag open this morning to put some little cookie treats in their bag for school. So these are about £2.99, I think. Oh, £1.99 for them. It's just good for me because with having 3 kids, there's something in them that all of them like. And then lastly, this is another B&M thing, but I just wanted to show it because if you are near B&M, they do such good sale. I mean, it's crazy, isn't it? Before Christmas, all this stuff is full price, and then as soon as Christmas has been and gone, like everything goes like 50% off at least, or like 70%. This, I paid, I don't even know if I paid £1.50. It might have been even less than that, but it was supposed to be £3. I'm having a lot of iced coffee at the moment and I love it to be like sweet, so this is just perfect for me. It was the last on the shelf and I thought I'm going to get that for me. But they had absolutely loads of, like the B&M that I was in as well was really small, but they had loads of Christmas stuff in the sales, or like stuff that you could still use that's not Christmassy, like all the gifting section and everything. So if you're near a B&M, I would recommend going and having a look at some of the savings, because they just want to get rid of stuff, don't they? So they knock a load of money off it. It's just craziness really, isn't it, what we do before Christmas and then after. But yeah, that is my haul for today. I hope you enjoyed seeing everything that I got. Give it a like if you did, and yeah, hopefully you'll come back again for my next video. Bye everyone.